my god. You can't make this shit up. Oh my god. I fucking did it. Wait, okay, if I remove the disk. Alright, so it starts complaining. Where did I put the disk? I just threw it somewhere, didn't I? Oh, it's right there. Oh wait. What? What? I was half expecting this not to. It works it's even part of the post sequence. Hold on. This even shows up as part of the post sequence. I'm not even kidding. Alright, let's shut this down. It literally delays post to recognize the floppy. I'm gonna remove the disk so it actually boots. But okay, there's the disk drive. None of my hard drives. And then it hasn't posted yet. And it literally checks the floppy drive. And then it posts. It doesn't post until it checks the flop. This thing has full system integration. I can't even. I could boot off of this if I wanted. I could boot off the floppy drive. I could literally boot off the floppy drive. What even is this?